Come on now. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Is it a crime?
Yeah, welcome to
I come from
world.
the ghetto, the slums, the gully, the Caasie, whatever you might call it.
You gotta believe. Stop track, rewind that, play it back again. Gangsters, put on your gun, love your girlfriend. Fame, dancing in the street again. Hey, I be singing before the age of 10. Welcome to my world, to my world. Hey, welcome to my world, to my world. Hey, welcome
But I can't take the guns, the politics, the teeth, them see things are moving.
to my world.
You know, everybody need money and I look a way out. But do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Out of my mouth.
Public service!
Public service, yeah. Yo, yeah, brother, you know, man, I'm gonna take them like quick coming on and go, yeah. On my shoes. Boy, the public service, them have me run like me a bolt.
No, like you're a thief. Well, they say it there, you see it.
They not even know, man, they are broke up in the mind.
Magician, I wonder what him can do for me in a day.
Nah, $100 for me, you know, something.
You serious?
Serious.
Yeah, right now you have to master the art of fooling, you know. You see it? Just spend it fast. Just like this.
Oh my God, this man.
Me, I do.
Wait, hold that, that's shaky. Yo, look come on, I'm in there.
On Caasie?
From morning, me no see me no. Last time I see my down the road.
Can't take him now.
Yo, I want to be for go to school. Now, big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. Big man like you still go to school.
Never too old to learn.
Like how you should have learned to use a boat.
We have 15% of homework. Boss, we may not understand. You late again?
This what's up, word.
You make your move, get you in a trouble. You know have no good to say, well, don't say no Shut your mouth, you get to dukes, them a try to hustle. You know have no good to say, well, don't say no Shut your mouth, you say me like, you know have no good to say, well, don't say no Shut your mouth, what you
Liked it?
Great.
like Barney Rebel. Shut your mouth.
Yo, would I get up? Share it, man. As my turn back, me hear the word I want to chat to me. Why you watching me?
Hey, Jack.
Why you watching me?
I'm not telling you ready. You don't speak to me like that.
Would you find your way home? Why you watching me? Yeah, see? Why you watching me? Why you watching me? Me clean every day and I'm dirty like I'm at me.
Caasie.
Caasie. Oh, that boy from last night, man. Yo, what up?
Oh, one boss.
Oh, you mash your work today, you know.
Caasie.
Wagwan babes.
Man, I'm home. Can I send mad for you?
Not here good.
Man, send mad for you because you think they're in a scene.
Set me life, don't make them take me life. Feel compatible with me and my wife. Some more set me life, don't make them wreck me life. Me and me get to sister, get a brother, get a mom. Me and me get to sister, get a sister, get a mom. Me and me put me get it along. Cause they really good thing. We say they get along. They get to survive, you know they get to strong. Look
How come it's not flex cap a Caasie over here? When you want to start tonight, please?
Yo, not no gusto, man.
Why me say nothing goes on? That man comes
they
in.
get to spend most of my life. This one me life, never yet see me with a boat or a knife. She did want me life, she did want me life. Shield me from
Alright, go in and check a seat on the right.
And there he was, punishing.
My respect for that.
I got a lot of things to say, yes I got a lot to get to world and you off your own and you can't shot.
After one night, I do my thing. Two girls see me and I run in. One autograph and the man get jealous, father. Them even just fire shut off for me and father. Me not join the music thing for them and pass here and hell.
So the guy laga and look boy named Wada. From a day them up well like them want violate the other, you know. What's the load them laga? True man I give sister to work. I won't feel like I can side up myself against man.
I want to him. I go like my put food per man table. I like say I buy grains, give man. I know, but I took more.
See you, me as man, just relax, man. Yo, laga, you know, see that grimy girl doing it. You know, see your girl very grimy, you know. 3 times now, I see you have confront artists towards the girl, you know. When she want an artist, when she want to take an artist next. Yo, by a leech, man. Have under control. Caasie, next time, I want to make something like that. Go out of the place. I was saying someone come. This man, you hear that? Yo, how many answer?
Yo, come here, listen what you say, my general. Auntie, your guns in my walkway.
That boy Laka is a real Laka head bud, you know. Make him stay there, man.
I want to man, I gonna mash up Caasie same way.
Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Yeah, welcome to my world. Where I'm from, you gotta believe. Stop track, rewind that, play it back again. Gangsters, put on your gun, love your girlfriend. Fame, dancing in the street again. Hey, I be singing before the age of 10. And if I could comprehend, that's when it all began. Welcome to my world, to my world. Hey, welcome to my world, to my world. Hey, welcome to my world, to my world. Hey, welcome to my world, to my world.